If this is your first night at Fight Club, you have to fight.
Fight Club is about Jack, a middle-aged loser with a crap job, hates his boss, hates his life, probably a virgin, too scared to change anything. So his brain makes up Tyler, cool, ripped, confident, sexy, and imaginary, basically the version of himself with balls. They gather some other nerds and start punching each other in a basement, because they didn't have Tinder back then, and for some reason there's an unnecessary romance with this mediocre-looking woke girl. Anyway, who cares about her? Jack and Tyler plan to blow up the city. But plot twist, they're the same guy, so Jack shoots himself in the face, and survives. Because symbolism or whatever. Then the random-looking girl shows up again, with the rest of the virgin nerds in BDSM outfits, and the city gets destroyed. I guess the meaning of the movie is, don't date ugly women, or the world burns.